Hey guys, Grover Bros the channel here, and we're back with some more Dogman Brawl of the Wild. So, last time we were at chapter 6. Even more stuff that happens next. So, fold. Staple. Okay, so it's really not much words here, but there's a picture. Okay, again. I guess I'll have to show you the pictures more often. So, by the way, what you saw, this is a flip-o-llama. Okay. So you want me to help you bust Dogman out of jail? That's illegal. That's dangerous. That's irresponsible. It goes against every law I've sworn to uphold. Let's do it! Flip-flop. Oh boy, this is gonna be great. Meanwhile, hey Papa, do you want to hear another joke? No, I do not. Oh, come on. It's a super good one. No, I'm getting tired of your made up jokes. This one won't made up. I got it from a book. Never trust a little Petey. So here's a picture. I said no. Okay, what did Batman get for Valentine's Day? It better not be diarrhea. It isn't, seriously. He didn't get diarrhea. Alright then. Let me think. Okay, I give up. What did he get? Diarrhea. Ha 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 ha. That joke didn't come from a book. Ha 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 ha. So, here's a picture. Okay. Meanwhile, da-da, bonk, clunk, I helped. Danger. Oh, that was very funny. Chapter 7, Girl Power. So here's a picture. Okay. If you didn't see, just little tip, just pause it. But meanwhile, Iola, Sarah, and Zuzu were hot on the trail. My investigation reporting skills lead us the city side of the city. And Zuzu's sniffing skills are picking up the scent. Sniff. Now I shall use my people skills to get clues. Watch this. Hey, Booger Breathe. Mommy, do you have any clues about a dog-headed crook? Maybe I do not. Maybe I don't. Maybe I do. Maybe I don't. Grab. Oh, that is real girl power. See right here? That is real girl power. strong. I don't know why. And how. Wham! Oh, you're in for a world of pain, Missy. Let's go. The main event, Yola Caprice versus Booger Breed. Ding dong ding, ding ding ding. Okay, but I will show you the picture. So, this is, and he gets, the Booger Breed gets destroyed by Yola. Pretty weird. If you see, Yola doesn't have any muscles, and that guy does. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I'm back. It's just that if you see in the book, I don't think you can see, but the paint got a little off. So yeah, but I'm gonna hold it with paper. Wait, does it get off? Nope. No, it doesn't get off. Okay. Have y'all had enough? Where did we left off? Yeah, right here. Okay. Are ya thirsty for more? Okay. I saw that the dog-headed crook. He was robbing that little spray factory outlook over there. May I go now, please? Oh, that guy is so scared. Say pretty please. Pretty please. What, no sugar? Pretty please with sugar on top and whipped cream and those little chocolate sprinkles. Wow! Wow, those were some impressive people skill. You know, it's kind of annoying having paper, but here's a picture. A little closer. Okay. I know, right? Oh, this is actually pretty cool. Chapter 8, help is on the way. You know, I'll just have the paper on the side. Help is on the way. So they're closing. Cause we'll be back soon. I had a feeling that the wording was up to no good. Let's follow those dog cell tracks. Wait, I want to scooch it up a little back. Okay, so here's a picture. This part is actually pretty cool, this part right here. But you guys decide if it's cool or not. But for my opinion, it's pretty cool. And beautiful. Meanwhile, are you ready? Are you done installing those filters? Yeah. Well, quit goofing around and get out of there. Okay. Hey, Papa, you want to hear another joke? No, I don't. Oh, come on. You said you were gonna help me. I am. Making up jokes is not helpful. This one's not made up. It's from a TV show. No. Okay, what do you call a worm from King's Arthur's court? The king worm. I mean, I know he's gonna say diarrhea, but oh, a night crawler is actually a good guess. A night crawler, no. Sir squirms a lot. That's definitely not it. Nope. Okay, I give up. What do you call him? Diarrhea. Ha 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 ha. What is wrong with you? There he is. Dog poop. Wow. So you've come to rescue your little friend, eh? Well, you're too late. Just look at him. He's changed. His spirit is broken. His will have been crushed. Well, this part doesn't make sense when I'm reading it. Okay. He'll never be the same again. Don't feel bad. You see, Dogman, not really a dog or a man. He's a misfit. Even the other dogs don't like him. You should have seen them all growl at him when he got here. It was so hilarious. It was actually not. It was actually pretty sad for him. But ha 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 ha. And the dogs are looking sad at themselves. Hey dogs, I'll get you out of your misery. Here, I got him. I'm gonna get them off their misery. 133, 132. Bam! I got him off their misery. Now they're off their misery. I'm just kidding. But okay. Ha 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 ha. Clank clank. No. No. Okay. No. Oh. Crash. I don't think that's even possible, but you'll see what I'm talking about. But then tap 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 tap. Puppy yum yums, shake shake. Puppy yum yums, shake shaker. So this is impossible. What you see here, that is impossible. I actually don't remember this part, but I think oh yeah, I remember now. So, okay. Click. Do, 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 do. Okay. So I actually remember what happens because I was looking to the other pages, but okay. So let's see. No, now. Wait just a minute. No, wait. No, stop. Cut it out. Down, boy. Enough. Back down. I mean, let's go home. Oh, typical dog man. More closer. Okay. And so, climb aboard. Climb aboard. What's wrong, dog man? What are you waiting for? Wait, what time is it? Okay. Forget those other dogs. They were mean to you. They growled at you. They turned their backs on you when you needed them most. Ooh, they're feeling bad about themselves. Okay. I'm trying to look for. Okay. Okay. But dog man, you can't take all of those dogs with us. They won't fit in the helicopter. 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 It's no use. ADHD. We won't leave without them. Flip flop, flip flop. Okay. And so, clink, clank, clunk, clink, clank, clunk. Quack, spit-tooey. Alright gang, we don't have much time. If we hurry, we might make it back to the city. In time to watch the Dogman movie. Let's go! Oh, wait, did I show you this? I did. Or, I didn't show you these pictures. Okay. And here's a picture. For the Dogman movie. Let's go! Okay guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'm gonna go back to chapter 9 though. But yeah, see you in the next Dogman Read Aloud. So please like and subscribe if you want to see more, because I'm definitely gonna make some more. But if you guys don't subscribe or like, I won't make any more because you guys don't want to. But at least 5 likes, because the book is about to end. But when the book ends, I want at least in the last book 5 likes or 5 views. So yeah, see you later. Bye.